Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan chicken. You will need just a few simple ingredients to create a delicious and versatile plant-based protein, perfect for countless meals. This homemade version offers a fantastic texture and is surprisingly easy to prepare. Get ready to enjoy a healthy, flavorful, and cruelty-free alternative in under 1 hour. To begin, collect your core ingredients: about 1 cup of vital wheat gluten, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and 1 tablespoon of your preferred poultry seasoning blend. In a large bowl, whisk these dry components together until well combined. Next, slowly incorporate 3/4 of a cup of vegetable broth and 1 tablespoon of oil, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead the dough gently for about 2 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Now it's time to shape your vegan chicken. Divide the dough into 4 equal portions for cutlets or 20 smaller pieces for nuggets, then flatten each one to about 1/2 inch thickness. Steam these shaped pieces for 20 to 25 minutes, ensuring they become firm to the touch. For a crispier finish, you can also bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 minutes, flipping them halfway through. Once cooked, your vegan chicken is ready for its final flavor enhancements. Pan fry or grill the pieces with a drizzle of oil and your favorite barbecue or buffalo sauce for a golden, crispy exterior. For even deeper flavor, consider marinating the steamed or baked chicken overnight. This versatile plant-based delight is excellent in stir-fries, delicious in sandwiches, perfect on salads, or fantastic as a main dish. Enjoy creating your own delicious meals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.